Most people buy a small air fryer and immediately regret the purchase. You get that tiny basket home and realize you can only fit 2 chicken thighs inside. That means you are cooking in shifts, while the rest of the dinner gets cold on the counter. The new Mega Air Fryer from one of the biggest names in kitchenware is trying to kill that problem once and for all. It packs a massive 7.5-liter capacity into a frame that feels like it belongs in a professional kitchen. When you pull this thing out of the box, you notice the weight right away. It does not feel like cheap, hollow plastic that might rattle apart after a month of heavy use. The build quality is sturdy and confident. This matters because many oversized units feel flimsy when you pull the drawer out. This one stays solid. The control panel is another huge win for anyone who hates reading manuals. It uses big, clear icons for every function. You do not have to dig through 5 layers of digital menus just to set the temperature or the time. It is intuitive enough that you can start cooking the second you plug it in. Now, we have to talk about the physical footprint. This thing is a beast. If you live in a small apartment with limited counter space, this might be your new roommate. You really need to measure your kitchen before you commit to this size. It takes up a lot of room. But the trade-off is that you finally stop doing multiple batches for one meal. You can dump a massive pile of wings or a whole family dinner in there and it actually handles the load. The noise level is another surprise. Most huge fans sound like a jet taking off in your kitchen. This one is more of a moderate hum. It is definitely there, but it is not going to drown out your conversation or the television in the next room. I put this thing through the ringer with real daily meals to see if it was just a gimmick. It is not. The cooking is consistent across the whole basket. You do not get those annoying cold spots where the middle stays soggy while the edges burn. It crisps things up reliably every single time. It feels like a genuine tool for people who actually cook for a crowd or like to prep their entire week of meals on a Sunday afternoon. If you are just making a single chicken breast, this is overkill. You would be better off with a tiny unit that saves your counter space. But for anyone tired of the tiny basket struggle, this feels like a legit solution. It moves the needle from being a novelty gadget to a primary cooking appliance. The speed at which it heats up is impressive too. You are not waiting around for 10 minutes for a preheat cycle. It gets to work immediately. This saves so much time on those busy weeknights when everyone is hungry and nobody wants to wait. The basket is easy to clean as well. It does not have those tiny crevices where grease likes to hide and get gross over time. You just wipe it down or toss it in the sink, and you are done. It simplifies the whole process from start to finish. It is rare to find a large capacity machine that does not compromise on the actual quality of the airflow. Usually, the bigger the basket, the harder it is to move that hot air around effectively. This design seems to have cracked that code. It keeps the heat moving, so the bottom gets just as crispy as the top. That is the gold standard for these machines. It is a solid, reliable workhorse that earns its spot on the counter even if it takes up a lot of it. If you have been struggling with a tiny unit, this upgrade might be the best move you make for your kitchen this year.